So this is going to be a short video tutorial using color to show emphasis. On the background here, this example would look like when you're finished. On the background, we've taken out all the background color. So therefore, color is used to show emphasis on this photo booth. So, and like I said, this is a tutorial project. So you're going to be creating the exact same thing you see in the video here. So I'm going to go to Canvas. The first thing you're going to do is click on this Drive, Google Drive link, the first blue link there, and that's going to take you to that antique photo booth picture. So you can download that, and then you want to go to your Photoshop. So you go down here to Photoshop, and it's going to open this. And what you can do, it might look like this home picture here. You won't see all these things here. So click on Open, and we're going to go to your Downloads. And we're going to click on the antique photo booth picture that we just downloaded. So click on Open. And you see there is your picture with all the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the background here. Only the background. I'm going to select the brick wall and the trees and everything like that. So I'm going to grab like this 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth icon down. It might look like this one when you start with the object selection tool. Click and hold it down. And grab that quick selection tool. That's the tool that we want to use today. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sure your selection size is a little bit larger, like maybe 100. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is click and hold down, and it's going to grab some selections, and you can see it's jumping to different selections, selection size, I guess. And you actually can click and drag over all of the trees and the brick wall and everything like that. And so we go with this to make sure that's been selected there. So I'm still selecting this bench here and the walkway and these little things here to make sure everything's been selected there. Okay. What I can do, actually hold we actually learned to zoom in. So hold my Alt key down and my Shift scroll wheel on my mouse, and let's me zoom into this and let go of the Alt key. Now I can finish with my selection, right? So then I can scroll down, I guess, to the bottom here, and I've got a little selection right here that I need to grab underneath the phone booth, right there. Okay. Now I just click on Control-0 and zoom out. It's a quick keyboard shortcut to zoom out. Okay. So now I want to do, if I've got the background selected, now I click on the Select and Mask key button. Sorry. And what it's going to do is it's going to show me the black icons that maybe I missed. So on this tool right here, it's called the brush tool. The brush tool. You click on that, and it's going to actually paint those out. So if you want to paint this out, paint that out, paint this out, and you can paint out the rest of this. So I'm just painting it out. So to know, it might start with the onion skin view. You might need to change it to black and white. Okay, if you don't see that. So you can paint this out too. So now I have only my phone booth selected. I can choose a view here and see I'm only selecting the phone booth. I like the black and white because I easily see what's been selected and what has been. Okay, the next thing you have to do is go to the output selection. If you might need to click on not the words but the little arrow. Click on the little arrow and go to output 2, and you're going to make sure it says new layer with layer mask, and then click OK. So therefore it's going to create a new layer. You're actually going to go to this background copy here and click on the picture with the color and everything. Then you're going to go into image and adjustments, and then go down to desaturate. So we're desaturating, taking all the color of this image here, and then we're going to turn on, click on the eyeball next to this one. So that layer, I have not taken the color, so therefore that shines through where we have black is hidden. Right, so that's our layer mask. Okay, so and then we can go in, ready to turn in. So it's just showing emphasis using color. So again, you're going to click on Save As, and if this comes up, just click OK. That's fine. And we're going to save to our Creative Cloud documents like before, and I would rename it like maybe as bench, or no, I'm saying like emphasis. emphasis right there. And then we save it as save, and then we're going to save it to our computer. So click on Save As again. So now this time we're going to choose On My Computer, and it's already got a name. So I click on Save, and you have to click OK. And now we're going to go back to Canvas and close this Google Drive link. So now I'm back in the Canvas, and I click on my up here, just the spatial heating, I click on my downloads, and I find the emphasis. It's really important to actually rename your file so you're not turning the original file. And then we click on Open, and then when that finishes downloading, which I will skip forward in the video, just make sure when that finishes downloading, it's a large file there. So now it's finished uploading, and so you can click on Submit. Okay, and that's going to finish it. Thanks for watching.